just get this on out the way. I spent a whole bunch of money this week, y'all. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Nicki, and in today's video I will be telling you what I exactly spent in a week as a millennial living in Atlanta. So let's get right into it. Let me just get this on out the way. I spent a whole bunch of money this week, y'all. So these dates are from April 15th all the way up until April 22nd. I am using my notions just to read off the expense to you guys because it's just so much easier than doing it through my notebook. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you a little bit. This is my Notion where I keep track of my transaction. I also write it down in my budgeting workbook as well. So if you are looking for a way to track your expenses and know exactly where your money is going, I will leave the link down below to my budgeting workbook. It would definitely help you get in control of your finances, and you would definitely know exactly where your money is going. So let's get right into these transactions, starting with transaction number 1, which was a subscription from Identity IQ. For those that do not know, I am tracking my credit score. I'm trying to raise my credit score because I am also trying to purchase a home. I just spoke with my realtor a few days ago and she gave me some bad news, so you know I still got to keep on going. So that subscription cost me $29.99, and that was on April 15th. The next purchase wasn't really a purchase, it was the extra debt payment of $200. So $200 to my Discover card, because y'all already know for this quarter my goal is to pay off all of my credit cards. If I don't get them all paid off, I would like to have the balances below the 10% mark. I would be okay with just doing that as well. So that was $200 sent to my Discover card, along with the minimum payment of $51. The next payment was on April 17th as well. Every Sunday I try to go ahead and fill up my gas tank, and I just try to keep like a routine with that. So that was $49.95 for gas. The next transaction was on April 18th, and that was from PetSmart, and I have a lizard, y'all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all. So I have a lizard, y'all. He's over there. I don't know if y'all can see him crawling right there. He don't like to be on camera, especially with this microphone on. He tends to not like that, but that's my lizard, or our lizard, and his name is Henry, y'all. So that's the lizard. So my next purchase was another extra debt payment. I sent $300 to Navy Federal credit cards, and the reason why I sent those amount to those cards at the time that I did was because the statement date were gonna be closing around like the 22nd, 21st, somewhere around there. So I wanted to make sure that my balance was below more than just the minimum payment, so I can get more of a better credit score. So with that being said, I sent that $500 extra to those credit cards just so I could get the balances low and in return raise my credit score. So the next payment was another credit card payment, which was just a minimum payment of $40. To that one, I couldn't do all three at the same time because the Merit one, I really have been really good with that one. I've been making payments on it and really hasn't been using those. But the Discover card and the Navy Federal one, I have certain automatic drafts coming off those cards, so which keeps having a balance on them. But in return, if I'm only paying just the minimum payments, it's not getting the balance down very quickly like how I would like it. So that's why I sent that $300 to Navy Federal and the $200 to Discover card, because I looked at the last bank statement or the last previous statement and I saw where I was, and I wanted to get it at least a little bit further than where it was. So that's what I actually did. So the next payment was Social Blue Book, and that was $29.95. For those that do not know what Social Blue Book is, it's like an influencer platform where they will tell you how much you should be charging for like an Instagram reel, a dedicated video, a post, or stories, anything like that. It's also some educational material on there as well, like media kits, like brands that want to work with you and stuff like that. Like you could actually reach out to the coaches on there and they will help you with what you should be pricing yourself and stuff like that. So I got that because I'm a new influencer, y'all, and I've been getting a lot of inbounds, and to be honest, I did not know how to respond to inbound. So now that I have Social Blue Book, I can look at my rates on what Social Blue Book think that I should be starting at, and then I can price myself accordingly. So that has been really helpful to me. And as I get more inbounds, I go to Social Blue Book and even asking some of the coaches, because one client reached out to me and it was something that I had never done before, and it was with a apartment community. So I was unsure on what I should be charging that customer. So I reached out to one of the coaches on there, and they told me exactly what I should be charging, because I just consider myself like a fashion and sneaker influencer, content creator. So knowing that an apartment community, upcoming apartment community is reaching out to me to create content for them, I was like, what? So I did price myself accordingly. I really feel like I priced myself too low, because the guy, he responded back to me like extremely quick, saying that he was definitely interested in working with me. So hopefully you guys will see that content coming soon. But the next transaction that I had was on April 18th, and that was for Panera Bread. I love Panera, y'all, especially the cinnamon crunch bagel. I get this sliced and toasted. I also get the honey walnut cream cheese. So that is extremely good. That was $6.87. From there, I think I also got a Mountain Dew as well to just, wash down the bagel with. But I love bagels, y'all. So that's what I spent on April 18th. Then, of course, we got aftercare fees. It was my time to make the payment. So that was $60 coming out for aftercare. And then we had McDonald's on the 19th for $9.44. And then, of course, I had to go ahead and schedule my appointment to get me some braids, because the weather here has just been crazy. In the morning time, it's cool. In the evening time, it's hot. And it's been raining off and on. And for those that don't know, I'm a mail carrier, so most of my time is spent outside. So I need something that I can just wake up and go. I don't got time to get this hair together. I don't got time to be putting on a wig. I don't got time no more, y'all, to be doing all of this stuff with this hair. So I went ahead and paid my deposit for me to get some braids on May 1st. So that was $25. And then on April 21st, my phone bill came out. My phone bill is normally due on the 20th, and that was $200.49. So, yep, you guys, that was a lot of money that was being spent. But hold up, wait, I'm not done. I actually bought me some shoes, y'all. Now, y'all know I'm a Jordan 1 fan, so I had to get these shoes. Let me just show y'all. So I actually haven't unboxed it yet, so y'all are getting first dibs on the unboxing and first reaction, initial reaction at that. So these are the shoes that I got, and the reason why I got these, y'all, was because I wasn't able to get the pine greens, and currently the pine greens is still going for a lot of money. So I had to go with an alternative, and the alternative was the Air Jordan 1 Lucky Greens, and I wear a kid size 4.5, y'all. So I think these retail for about $150, I think. I'm not exactly sure. Don't quote me on that. They still had some online the last time I checked. If I still do see it on the Nike app, I would definitely leave a link down to it below. If I can find an alternative, of course, on GOAT or whatever else like that, I will leave that link down below as well. But I'm gonna give y'all like the first reaction, because I actually normally would do like an unboxing video, and I'm still gonna do it on my social media channels with YouTube. Get it first. So here we go. I am in love, y'all. I am in love. So I gotta make sure I'm careful with it, because I gotta wrap these back up and do it again. And we got some additional laces. I love that. I love when we can get 2 laces. I got a lot of black laces, so I wasn't really worried about these. And I've also seen other people already on social media with the shoes, so I did know that they came with the green ones, and that's what I really wanted most about them. I think I'm gonna put red shoelaces in them because pine green, they got the red laces as well, so I'm gonna do the red laces. I'm gonna probably get the red laces from my Air Jordan 1's denim, and I'm gonna use those. But these are the Lucky Green, y'all. We got the green bottom, we got black and white and green just all over the shoe. We got a green and black tongue with the Nike symbol, Nike Air symbol. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I like the green bottom, but yeah, these are my favorite. But however, this did not get included in this week's transactions because y'all already know why. I paid for it with my credit card, and I got this method from my boy AJ1 King. Shout out to Narada, shout out to you. He's the one who suggested I do it this way, that I would add my credit card information on my sneakers app and pay for all of my shoes with my credit card. That way I could get the cashback, bonus, rewards, points for my purchases, because I was already gonna buy these anyway. So that's exactly what I did. I put it on my credit card, which my credit card is due on the 3rd of May, and then the statement day closes on the 8th. So it gave me a little bit of time to like really do something else, like basically hustle to get the money up, and maybe I may not even have to spend my own money from my personal income. So that's like my idea of what I'm actually gonna do. I'm gonna try to see if I can pick up another side hustle, which I got some shoes in there, and I've been saying I'm gonna start back up on my Poshmark closet. So I think I'm gonna go ahead, pull out some stuff from my closet, pull out some other shoes that I do not want, that I've been talking about getting rid of for the last couple of months, and I'm gonna start listing those things on Poshmark, and then I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be able to make me some money from it, and then that way I probably won't even have to use my own personal money. But for us right now, I put this on my credit card, got some cash back rewards from it, and it cost me about maybe $150, $160, somewhere around there. So yep, these are the shoes that I got. So for now, the grand finale, how much did I actually spend this week as a millennial living in Atlanta? Let's go ahead and add everything up. So my total for this week is $1,020.71, which is a lot of money, you guys, in 1 week. And if I'm being quite honest, it's definitely over my budget of $3,000 this month. I still have a week to go in this month. I still have my car insurance that has to come out, and that's a little bit over $200. So we're already talking about $3,500 in just expenses, not even really just all of my bills, because I know that I did send extra payment towards debt, so I'm not really upset about that. I sent $500 to one of my credit cards. I sent $300 to Navy Federal. I sent $200 to Discover. So already I spent $1,000 just in debt. So if I was to just subtract all of those extra debt payments from the total that I already have that's over the budget, I would still be below the budget. And that's what I'm really trying to figure out. I'm not really including my extra debt payment. I just want to make sure that I can afford all of the bills and expenses at $3,000 and see what I could do extra with that. So far, $1,000 towards debt in a whole month. That's super exciting for me. I'm super happy about that. I got some credit cards paid off. I also, ate really good. I also took care of all of my bills, and I also did some things that I wanted to do, such as scheduling an appointment for my hair and also buying some shoes, which hopefully that won't actually come out of this budget. I could make some side income for that. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. As I mentioned before, everything that I'm using for its filming equipment, anything that I mentioned in my videos, they will always be tagged down below, because I just try to put y'all on. I'm not a gatekeeper over here. If I'm doing this, so can you, and we all could just be successful and be great together. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.